Yeah, so it's back on the record again. Going back to the shop again. Motor was feeling like it was good, but it's smoking. I don't know, it's burning some oil. So gotta figure that out. Gotta get new power stand line. A bunch of little stuff that needs to be addressed that wasn't addressed. Going back, hopefully get it right this time. It's been 2 years. Got the car in March 2022. Back and forth since then. I haven't been able to enjoy the car, man. Ready to get it finished. You know, everybody see the car and see the collection.
Damn.
You know, this what comes with it. Y'all see the pictures of the cars and all that. Y'all don't realize that 90% of the time they're not running. They're always in the shop. One come out the shop, 2 or 3 go in. And that's the life. We're trying to fix all that, man. I want to enjoy these things. So we're on the last lap on all of them, man. And pretty much they should be done and perfected. And I can enjoy them, and it won't be. You know, they just go to the shop for maintenance if I need anything. So this is the last trip.
Maybe you could, I think what you could probably do is get inside, and this way you know what it feel like driving. You could just ride with him on the thing, and then this way this way you can at least see what it feel like to be on the freeway. Cause I mean, damn, it look good on that bitch. Yeah. Bye. It looks great to me. It's terrible. Show me, cause I don't understand. Oh,
that shit's all clear coat, peeling off.
So you get the whole car painted again?
Whole car, it's gonna be glass though.
Sheesh. All right. Yeah, y'all always be asking me what I do for a living. I have to help him, man, because, you know, sometimes you just need help. Sometimes you need that extra person, that extra set of eyes. Artists, I get to drive cool cars. Now, can I fit in this? That's the thing. God damn, he could. Oh. Woo. Oh. He put the seatbelt. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. Okay, Steve fitting the Aston. Mute. Where's the start button? How you start this thing? Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Okie dokie.
Mr. Rogers.
On the real though, I tell you how I feel though.
But I'm so fast when I blow past.